Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up RBC Tunnel VPN in all countries for a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection. So, if you are new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and don't forget to like. If you get any problem, let me know in the comment section. You can check the bio of this YouTube channel for my WhatsApp number and then chat with me on WhatsApp. I'll be helping you out. So, in the first step, you're going to open Google Play Store. And once you open Google Play Store, you're going to search for this VPN application, which is RBC Tunnel VPN. Now, keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers' terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Download this application. After downloading, install it in your device, and then we are going to open. Now, once you open this application, it is RBC Tunnel VPN. This is how it's going to work. Allow all permissions. Make sure that you have at least a running data bundle to facilitate the process of downloading and also to facilitate the process of updating servers. Now, this is what you're going to do. You're going to come in the top left corner where you see those dots. Tap onto them and look for this, what we call online update. Now, this process of updating servers, it requires data bundles. So make sure that you have at least a running data bundle to facilitate the process of updating servers. Just to facilitate that, you can connect to your Wi-Fi and update first those servers. Then secondly, you're going to come where you see auto select server. Once you tap auto select server, you're going to look for your country's server. Alternatively, if you don't see your country's server, I recommend you to choose a server that is near to your country. And if you are also not able to support that server, now for you just keep in the auto select server right there, so that this application will just optimize you and connect you to the fastest nearby server. Don't forget to like the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Now, lastly, you're going to come right here where you see Wi-Fi and data. And you're going to switch or select from any of those recommended server they will be recommending to you. Alternatively, you can switch from recommended to all. You can switch from recommended to all networks. Once you tap all networks, look for your country's server by scrolling. But if your country facilitates or if your country promotes the UDP protocol, you're going to come where you see all countries UDP. But I do recommend mostly for you to look for your country's server and connect onto that. Connecting to the UDP protocol, you're going to be able to secure a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection that will be in all countries. Then after, you're going to come and place right here and then accept the connection request so that the VPN can grant you with a secure connection. And that's it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Tech, and I sign out. I love you guys.